Yeah, my people, yeah, man. So, that is it, you know. You see? Dump on the waterfront, I don't know. Juice place, them is so enough. You see? Yeah, man. You see it? Yeah, man. Wow. And big up on yourself. Yeah, each and every one up and running. Yeah, man. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. Yes, the people. Jaja, it is this. The same Shea Wellness Spot. Yeah, 167 Harbour Street. 167 Harbour Street, Kingston. Yeah, Shea Wellness Spot, my people. This is it. Just come along and get your good food, good juice to drink. I mean, I say good food, I mean good authentic Jamaican food. You see? And then we will deal with oxtail and them thing there. Them deal with good wellness food. See my people? Yeah. So just come along and give it support. Yeah, man. Shea Wellness Spot. Right down on Harbour Street. Trust me, them juice refreshing. Juice refreshing the people. People may not have my bag. I may have the juice. And I say good people there. Good people there. All over the world in Jamaica, all over the world, good people there. Trust me. And remember, I tell you, say, I get the juice. Don't take my people. Yeah, man, I get the juice, one. And I really say, I say, my girl, nobody make the juice because, you know, I left my bag with the money. And she just go and go tell her boss, and the boss say, yeah, man, give it to him, man. Downtown Mall. You see me? Yeah, man, dump on the Kingston Mall with every people. Dump on the waterfront, you see? Yeah, man, this is it, people. You see? Right now, the evening hours here in Jamaica. Yeah? So, this is it, people. This is our beautiful island, beautiful Jamaica. You see it? Yeah, this is the back of the conference center. See, in Jamaica Conference Center, this. Where them keep all big conference where big heads of governments and everything come in. And just so them keep all them come in and so forth. You see? Yeah. Yeah, Jamaica. Jaja, remember here Jamaica. See your Jamaica building there? Jaja no star. Jaja. You want here Jamaica with people, that is it. You see? Yeah, man.